Bedford Quarry House by Stephen Harris Architects is a residence deeply embedded on a cliff above a lake formed from an abandoned quarry in the forests of Bedford, New York. The design is rooted in a profound connection to the surrounding landscape. The house features an L-shaped plan. One wing contains the entrance, main living area, TV room, study, and guest room, while the other houses the primary bedroom, children's rooms, garage, and gym. The arrival sequence leads from the road to an enclosed forecourt, intentionally withholding the view to create a sense of movement and discovery as one transitions through the house. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls blur the boundary between inside and out, making the landscape an integral part of the interior experience. However, Harris deliberately avoids revealing the panoramic vistas immediately upon entry. Instead, residents move through various spaces, gradually encountering different perspectives of the natural surroundings. Harris emphasizes that architecture should induce movement and create distinct moments throughout the home, without overshadowing the landscape. The house appears serene and effortless, with sustainable features such as triple-glazed windows and improved waste management. The material palette is quiet and contextually sensitive. Wood, stone, and masonry dominate. Neutral tones and understated furnishings draw the eye outward to the landscape. Wooden window frames almost disappear into the tree trunks outside, while stone flooring grounds the house in its site. Bedford Quarry House exemplifies architecture that is sensitive to context and landscape, offering a living experience that is harmonious, tranquil, and sophisticated.